Okay, let's talk about velocity. We have just talked about speed in the previous video. Let's talk about velocity. Velocity is nothing different than speed. The concept is same. You use the same units for velocity as you use for speed, but there's a slight difference in velocity and speed. Velocity is not the ratio of distance to time. It is instead the ratio of the displacement to time. And we have discussed displacement, the difference between displacement and distance in a previous video. So displacement over time, right? So what do we need to see here? If something moves from point A to B and there's also something that moves from point C to D, we don't actually have to see the actual path that the thing travels. All we need to see is the shortest distance, which is the definition of displacement. So we need to see these distances. For example, this distance was like 5 kilometers, and this distance is like 3 kilometers, right? And we know the time that these things take. The first car takes 30 minutes, the other car also takes 30 minutes, but instead of using 10 kilometers, we're going to use 5 kilometers, the absolute distance, the shortest distance between 2 points. So you just need to see that the car actually started from point A and finished at point B, and there was total the minimum distance of 5 kilometers between these 2 points. So that is going to give us the displacement, and just simply divide 5 by 30 would actually give you the displacement of, or basically the velocity of this car, and the velocity of this car is going to be the, uh, the displacement of this car, which is 3 kilometers, divided by the time 30 minutes. So it is going to give you the velocity of this. So there's a small difference between velocity and speed. Speed is basically the actual, the speed of your car is the rate at which the distance of your car is changing at any point, right? So, or the overall average speed of the journey would actually be the total average speed that your car had, like the sum of all the speeds at all the points divided by all the points, right? So it will give you an average speed. However, the velocity is basically simply the change in the total change in the distance that actually happened. Like this was 0 meters and this is 3 kilometers away from it, so the total change in the distance is 3 kilometers, the shortest distance between 2 points. And then we just divide it by time and we get the velocity of that thing. So it will just give you the how much a thing actually displaced from its original position with respect to unit time. So there's a small difference that you need to take into account.